Today we are making easy raised at home bread. Part white, part wheat. Yeast, sugar, salt, whisk, milk, oil, water, whisk. Gradually add in more flour, a little at a time. And a little more flour. Now flour your counter with your last cup of flour and turn your dough out and knead it. And put it in an oiled bowl, cover and let rise. Now divide your dough and form it into a loaf and let it rise more in the pan.
That's a minty piece right there.
Not yet, just a little longer. And bake for about 35 minutes. Butter the tops, cut, and enjoy with your favorite toppings.